Hello, 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 hello. This is your girl Jacqueline Price back again with another quick video, how to earn money online 2021, earning money on Facebook 2021. I'm going to show you how. I want to show you this amazing program, this amazing platform, um, Successful Solution Method. I'm going to log in. The program came about, it's been around now for about 6 months. There has been $1 million plus paid back to the members. It's absolutely amazing, successful solution method. And so I wanted to give a review and show you how you can earn money on Facebook with this particular platform. It's very newbie friendly. Um, you don't have to know a lot. If you can log into Facebook, if you can post, if you can watch videos, if you can understand the training, basically what you're going to be getting is the training. You're going to get training on how to get started. And so when you get started with me, because I'm going to have my link down below, because you want to get started, because this is going to be the easiest money you've ever earned. And so basically, when you're going to watch this video here, Successful Solution Method Quick Start video. You're going to watch this video, and it's going to lead you into everything that you need to know as to how to get started. You're just going to go through it step by step. And so I'm going to show you what you're going to be getting. And so what you're going to do is you're going to start here. You're going to have you're going to set that up, a success coach meeting. You're going to get your referral link. You're going to get all that set up. And that's how you're going to get started. And then here, the bronze package, I don't know what level you may come in on, but I'm going to tell you come in as high as you can. The bronze package, you will get a fail-proof traffic system. This will show you how to get engagement on your Facebook page. It's going to shoot your engagement through the roof. You're going to get the webinar replays, the training replays. You're going to get all that right here on the bronze package, and that package is $125. That package is $125. And so that's what that one is. And so then the silver package, you're going to get social influencer series. You're going to get your own custom digital postcard. You're going to get additional income opportunities. You're going to get the silver training and the replays. So that silver package is $325. This one right here, this package, the gold package, I mean, I really love this package because you're going to get video marketing masterclass. Let's see if we can go in there and look at some of the things that you're going to get inside of there. The video master class. I don't know if it's going to show me. I may have to click it. But yeah, I'm going to have to click it to access the training. Hold on a second. So you're going to get video marketing training here. I'm just going to give you guys a sneak peek at what you get inside the gold package and the training that you get inside of here. You're going to learn how to upload a Facebook Live to YouTube. Okay? You're going to learn how to create a description for your YouTube videos step by step. This is the training that you get. You're going to have you're going to be taught multiple streams of income with YouTube. Yes. You're going to learn how to get keyword research for YouTube videos. We get topics to discuss when making YouTube videos. Sometimes, you need to know what to discuss. What are you going to talk about? You need to know how to get thumbnails that grab attention. I'm going to do a video on that too and show you where to get those. Thumbnails that grab attention, how to add an intro to any video to your YouTube channel. And then here on this one, everything to complete your YouTube channel. And so that's what you get inside. And there's some more, but I just want to give you a sneak peek at what you get inside of your YouTube, inside of the gold package. that I wanted to show you guys what you get inside of the gold. And the gold package is $500. That training alone, the way that you're going to be able to capitalize off of that, it's worth more than 500. I'm telling you now. Okay, the platinum package, you're going to get a high converting email vault, custom Facebook image ads, a 30-minute private coaching. That's amazing. And the platinum package is $1,000. The diamond package is $2,000, and you get attraction marketing formula. You get a done for you custom funnel. You get a done for you organic traffic setup. You get top level traffic package and a 60-minute private coaching. So these are the different packages, and that one I said is 2,000. And so you want to get in where you can, but you want to come in as high as you can, because once you get started, you'll have like 30 days, and then you can upgrade to the next one, or you can upgrade all the way to the top. It's totally up to you. But every time you upgrade, you get 30 days to upgrade again, if that makes sense. So that way, you can the higher the higher level you are, the more you earn. And so let's go to my earnings. Let's see if we can go into my affiliate back office, and I can show you thus far how much I've earned with this particular program. It is absolutely amazing. It's one of the easiest way to earn money on Facebook in 2021. I guarantee you this platform. Okay, so here I've earned $6,450, $6,450 with this amazing platform, Successful Solution Method. How to earn money on Facebook. This is one of the most easiest ways to earn money on Facebook in 2021. I just had to let you guys know this amazing information. And I'm hopping off now. Thank you so much. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Click the button down below. Hit the bell so you don't miss any of my amazing videos. This has been Jacqueline Price with another quick video. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks.